Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Thanks for tuning into our latest video on World's Reality. Technology Bell Equipment has introduced a 60-ton dump truck model to the world with an economical E60 drivetrain that offers significantly lower fuel consumption than conventional rigid trucks. The latest generation Mercedes-Benz engine is well suited for off-road hopper-type body use with payload. The capacity of up to 60 tons is much wider than conventional ADT belt trucks. Telescopic cylinders are fixed under the body so that it can be pushed in stages during the tipping process. Suitable for heavy-duty applications, especially mines, and steep curves. It is a 12-ton high fertilizer spreader, featuring a fully hydraulic conveyor and rotary drives. The machine, which can operate at variable speeds and provides the most uniform spread pattern in the ground, has a 41-inch frame clearance with variable tread width for seasonal row crop cultivation. I think that's all you need to know about the 12-ton manure spreader from Lofness, and the rest you can already see on your screens. With this Combi transfer harvester from DeWolf, producers have significantly reduced the amount of soil and waste that comes with a product during loading into the field. The 240 series field loader is a compact, self-contained machine that combines ease of use and high cleaning capacity. User-friendly product features that set this machine apart from its competitors include the availability of a 4-section discharge lift, which has a very wide turning radius, as well as an integrated, very quiet diesel generator. The Structural 30 is a mounted or trailed 3-row cable planter, which is done by planting potatoes in 3 rows as high-quality plants. The machine is equipped with many innovative features. For example, wave-shaped wave belt conveyors prevent seed potatoes from rolling over each other. On sloping ground, it ensures soft planting. The unique system of accurate distribution and high productivity technique limits the friction between the tubers while planting and thus avoids any damage to the potato seed. The open design of the cable conveyor is excellent in separating defective seeds from the product. It also facilitates machine maintenance and adjustment. FanIdeal 9T is a state-of-the-art combine harvester. Developed by AGCO Corporation, which has become a popular choice among farmers due to its advanced technology for high performance and ease of use, the FanIdeal 9T is designed to handle large fields. Like a wood chipper, it is a valuable investment in any farm operation. One of the key features of FanIdeal 9T is its unique hybrid design. The all-new 700 Somaliland Shillings and 900 Somaliland Shillings series stock fillers offer superior performance. Their belt width has been slightly increased due to better product safety and user-friendliness compared to the previous model. The shape of the conveyor belt chute has also been improved for the conveyor cross-section. This means that even higher throughput can now be achieved. Also, lower throughput volumes can be handled with lower belt speeds, which has a positive effect on product protection. The new stock fillers in this series have a conveyor belt, which is 26 inches wide and 650 inches long. The Scorpio 430 is the newest and smallest model of the Elho Stone harvester, which brings all the proven features of the Scorpio series to you in a more compact body. It is an economical and practical model that can be used with small tractors as well. The hydraulic drive is flexible and reliable, so it can also be operated in reverse, and the tines are made of durable Hardo 500 steel. The suction rotor rotates at 80 RPM, and the wind rotors rotate at 125 RPM. Axle and can lift stones 1 to 16 in size with a travel speed of 1 to 4 miles per hour. E-log machining machines provide the operator with complete control, regardless of ground conditions. And all this is thanks to the unique pendulum arm technology. It features exceptional ground clearance, reliable serviceability, and a powerful harvester crane, from which you can get high productivity. And at that time, the company can get a favorable cost of ownership. There are 7 models of these harvesters with different features and qualities to meet the many needs of forestry. How about a powerful yet modern gardener? An excellent model has been developed by Monroe. This machine is ideal for fruit trees, as it allows you to cut branches up to 10 inches in diameter. The arm has a working width of 90. The pivoting head on this model has 3 33-inch diameter cutting discs with a spring-loaded locking mechanism to prevent damage to branches or chassis in the event of an unexpected collision. Is installed on. A hydraulic arm is attached to the tractor. Thank you for seeing the reality of the world. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to watch informative videos on agricultural technology and agricultural engineering. And leave a comment, sharing your opinion.